Here's 11Reader app, text-to-speech, listen to books, docs, PDFs. Pretty cool idea, a viral app. So with 11Reader, you can bring any book, news, article, newsletter, blog, PDF, or text to life with ultra-realistic AI voice narration. Available across 32 plus languages and in the voice of some of the world's most legendary personalities from television, film, and literature. So this is an AI-driven text-to-speech app that acts as an audio companion during your commute, while exercising, at work, or while at school. So bring your favorite news sources, newsletters, PDFs, and then just create an audio version of those. So you can listen to classics, select different voices, 32 plus different languages. You can listen audio versions of Bible, Quran, create bookmarks, share clips, create smart podcasts with Gen FM, audiobooks, listen to newsletter articles and blogs. So this idea is getting traction because some people just really like podcasts. Some people just don't like to read, And for example, you have your favorite newsletter and you just want to go for a run and listen to it while you're running. You don't want to read it. So this is the ideal app for that. Pretty cool. So here you have it, daily listening goal. You can then just paste a link, upload a file or scan text or just write it, and then daily listening goals. So here is your library. So you can just see the idea of that, and so let's just go, for example, let's try it out. So here is kind of the website. Let's just select any site and see how it's gonna work. Or you can pass the link like to Substack newsletter or things like that. And then you can see like monthly $10 per month or annual $96 annually. And there is ultra, unlimited listening. And here in a plus plan, it's only 30 hours of listening per month. So here you have it. And then you just see in here 8 minutes left. Then you can select the voice, your recent iconic voice collections. Pretty cool, right? Then you can also add some soundscapes as well for you to fall asleep. For example, get a sleep timer, chapters customized. Pretty cool app, right? And then you just have in here, so that's what it is. And so now you're just getting some bonus, which is pretty cool. So yeah, that's kind of the idea of the app. I telling you, this is getting more traction, and also you can just you can use my link. So here is the app. Feel free to use it. Feel free to use my link, and then you will get some free hours for every new users you refer. And that's basically the idea. So pretty cool app. I think it's getting traction. So try